It's clear.
We're waiting for our Uber, bro.
Okay, so move the cars out the street. That's what I'm
I don't have no car. I'm waiting for the car right here.
All right, hey, all right, but listen, you don't need to give us no attitude. I can put your handcuffs for the joint. I can put your handcuffs for the joint. All right? Stop talking.
Damn, bro. Shut up. Stop. Stop touching. What are you doing? What are you doing? I didn't even do nothing. I didn't even do nothing. I didn't even do nothing. Stop. I didn't even do nothing. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. All I did was scream. I didn't even do nothing. Wait, bro, hold on.
Hey, back up. Yo, back up.
I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. Wait, I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing.
Put your hands behind the back.
Back the up.
Bro, I understand.
Back up.
Wait, hold on. Officer Simmons, officer, you don't have to do this, gang. I didn't do nothing. I'm having an argument with my girlfriend, bro. I didn't do nothing.
I know. I know. I'm a helper.
Oh my gosh! What the f is she dead? Yo!
Officer Simmons, can you listen to me?
I'm listening to you.
I'm listening to you, but look.
So turn around.
Wait, am I being detained?
Yes, you
For
are.
what?
Let me help her. Let me help her.
Wait. Let me talk to you. I know, wait, hold on.
Turn around on your stomach.
Okay, hold on. 1 second, bro. Let me talk to you. I'm not even hostile. I'm not hostile.
Turn around.
I understand. Can I talk to you? Please, don't
Put your arm around your back.
Please, it's right here.
Put your hand, other hand.
Wait, hold on.
Put your other hand behind your back.
Understand, bro. Can you please chill? Can you let her go, my girlfriend, please?
I'm trying to help her.
I'm not resisting. I'm trying to help my girlfriend.
Relax. Back up.
Simmons, you can rush me, bro, but let me help her, please, bro. Let me help her.
I'm helping her.
I'm begging you.
I'm helping her. Listen, he's in handcuffs for hitting her.
You can let me go. You can let me.
No.
I swear, bro. I can't breathe, bro. Please. I'm not resisting, bro. You can let me go. You can let me go. I'm not resisting, bro. Please.
I got you.
Please, bro.
Okay, I got you.
Wait, let me help her. Let me help her. Wait, my shoe. Let me help my girlfriend, bro. Let me help my girlfriend, bro. Yo, my girlfriend, bro. My girl. Wait, can you please just let me see my girl? She's on the floor, bro. Please, bro. Please, bro, let me just help my girl. Look at her, please.
You should take me to jail because I was instigating, I promise. And I'm already on charges because of domestic for him. I'm always the problem, I swear, I promise. No, you should just take me.
How does this work?
No, I swear, I'm already on charges because of the same situation. Look at her on the floor, no, let me see her.
Watch out, man. I'm gonna shoot you.
I'm getting a lawsuit. You know I got right. You know I got right.
Bro, I punched the shit out of him. Being a you should know for a fact if a girl hit you.
Sit down.
No!
Get in there before we force you in there.
I'm sorry.
You saw it, right?
Yeah, that's why I ran over there.
He didn't do nothing. Y'all tackled him for no reason, and it's on camera, and y'all go get sued. Oh God, and I got a good lawyer, so y'all better be ready to pay that paycheck. Y'all talking about tackling a little ass girl with 2 grown ass men. Let's really talk about it.
That don't make no sense, bro. Like, you act like you ain't never been through that gang, and then the only thing I wanted to do was make sure my girl was good. You won't even let me do that. You weird, gang. You weird, bro. Bro, can you tie this, bro? I'm not asking you as a like, I'm asking you to tie because it's getting stuck in the chair, bro. I'm not giving you that, bro.
You still going to jail, though.
I know I am, so you're gonna find out when I get there. Now, let me talk to you, bro, because you're the reason, bro. Why? Officer Simmons, I'm talking to you, bro. Please, why? Like, I understand you just...
You gonna tell me your name?
No, bro.
Okay, then I'm not talking to you.
Bro, but you did this on purpose, bro. Why? Bro, I didn't even do anything. Did you see me hit my girlfriend? Yes or no?
You gonna tell me your name?
Did you see me hit my girlfriend?
I don't have nothing to say to you.
If I tell you your name, you're gonna answer my question?
You weren't listening.
No, I was listening. I was trying to check on my girlfriend, just like you would go check on your wife if she was in the street. I just don't like him.
I'm gonna talk to you, alright? But you gotta.
I don't like him. We can talk right now.
Okay, so bro,
No,
I'm gonna stay here.
bro, I just want to know why.
He's gonna keep bugging you. Okay.
No, I'm not. I just want to know why, man.
Domestic.
Domestic what? There was no hit. I didn't hit my.
It's on camera.
It's on camera?
Yes, it is.
Let me see.
No,
No, come here. No, I'm not even over weird. I just want to know why.
Agreement with my boyfriend, and I had shoved him as soon as he just tried to like give me a little push to get me to get away from him, because when he knows when liquor gets in my system, I get aggressive. So I shoved him, and him just trying to push me back. They seen him just do this, and then they said he was trying to put his hands on me and beat the out of me. So 2 men attacked my 9, like he's like 5'9" boyfriend attacked him. So when I seen them do that, I was like, going on? I'm looking at the camera when I say this and I'm saying this. I did touch you, and I was like, what is going on? So then I had them drag me, which is this on here, and this right here, and this right here. But they're saying my boyfriend beat the out of me. Where is the beat up at? Like, then if my boyfriend beat my ass. I was arguing with him because I didn't like how he was acting. And we had a disagreement. He wanted to wait for his friend, and I had my friend, and me and my friend are ready to go. That was the disagreement. I got a little aggravated, and I pushed him, and I said, come on, I'm ready to go. And then that's how everything got pushed way too far than it was supposed to go. But y'all sitting here letting 10 people run outside of an Airbnb while y'all all hovered around a little ass girl and a short ass man. Y'all worried about what we got going on, but y'all got mad people running outside of an Airbnb that you got called for a noise complaint.
Okay. Appreciate it.
Abriana was charged with domestic violence, battery on an officer, and obstructing without violence. Niall was charged with domestic battery. They are innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.